And this morning, scientists around the world are trying to find answers for fighting the coronavirus. UAB, right here in Birmingham, is involved in that process. CBS 42 News reporter Connie Gasquet explains how.
UAB doctors know how serious coronaviruses can be, so when reports started coming out from China, they started preparing for the chance it might end up here. Now they're involved in an effort that could make a difference across the globe.
It is nerve-wracking.
Dr. Jeannie Marazzo has had a heavy workload lately, ever since news of the coronavirus started to break.
So we've all pretty much been on high alert for the last several weeks.
And the last 2 weeks, her focus has been almost exclusively on the coronavirus, which presents unique challenges compared to other infections.
We have not seen the kinds of measures, the quarantine measures, the social isolation measures, now the school closures, at a level in the United States where we have really never seen.
But UAB is playing a role in fighting the virus. The school's Division of Infectious Diseases is participating in a study with the National Institutes of Health. The goal is to develop a vaccine for the coronavirus.
It's an exhilarating and incredibly anxiety-provoking time.
But past research is helping now. UAB has done many studies. This is video of some of their past lab work. And Marazzo says investments in previous research are paying off now.
We learned from the SARS virus that you could basically use the genetic or the gene sequence of the virus to work backwards and find a vaccine that could be protective.
And that means the research into coronavirus has moved along much more quickly.
The pace of this has been really unprecedented, and I think is a real testament to our investment into development of vaccines.
But she warns there's still a lot of work to do. They hope to start the first trials in humans by April, but it could be more than a year and a half before large numbers of people might be able to use the vaccine.
So people need to understand, I think, that the pace of vaccine research requires very careful, sequential, iterative assessment of safety and efficacy.
Whether the studies could move along more quickly given the rapid spread of the virus will be an important question, Marazzo says. It'll involve a lot of ethical and scientific questions, but she encourages people to be realistic about what they expect from the pace of these studies. Connie Gasquet, CBS 42 News, local coverage you can count on.